Hello everyone. In previous video we have studied to find the maximum and minimum element from the given list by using straightforward method. But applying this method it will take more time to solve the problem. So to overcome this problem we can apply divide and conquer strategy. So in this problem, the given list of elements, we can divide that into smaller problems such that there should be only one or two elements. So after dividing the given array into smaller arrays, we will solve that arrays individually to get the solutions, and then finally getting the different solutions, we will combine that solution into single solution to get the main solution for a given problem. So suppose this is the given array. So here there are 9 elements. So this array we can divide into two different parts. So here first we have to find the middle value, and then we can separate this array into two different arrays. So here the middle value is 5. So now the first array will be starting from first element to fifth element, and this will be our second array, that is starting from 6 to 9. So as per our definition, there should be only one or two elements in the smaller arrays. So because there are 5 elements in the first array and 4 elements in second array, so we will apply the same strategy, that is to divide these arrays into smaller instances. So in first array the middle value is 3. So our first array will be starting from first to third element, and this will be our second array. Similarly, we will apply the rule for the second array. So here 7 will be the middle value. So 6th and 7 element, that will be our first array, and 8 and 9, that will be our second array. So now if you see, in the first array there are 3 elements, but we require only 1 or 2 elements in the array. So this particular array we will divide again by using the same divide strategy. So here first 2 element will be our first array, and then third element will be our second array. So now if you see, all the smaller sub problems have either 1 or 2 elements, not more than that. So now we can solve these smaller problems individually and we will get the solution. So after getting the solution for each smaller instances, we will combine the solutions. So now we will find the maximum and minimum value for these all smaller problems separately. So for the first array, 22 is the maximum value and 13 is the minimum value. So similarly for the second array, there is only one element, that means maximum and minimum value will be same, that is -5. So max value will be -5 and min value also -5. Next, for the fourth and fifth element, 15 is the maximum value and -8 will be the minimum value. Similarly, for the sixth and seventh element, 60 will be the maximum value and 17 will be minimum value. Next, 8th and 9th element, so here 47 is the maximum value and 31 will be minimum value. So now for every smaller problem we have got the solution, that is maximum and minimum value. So now to get the final solution, we have to combine these all answers. So first we will take the solutions of first two arrays, that is maximum value 22 and minimum value 13, and from the second maximum value -5 and minimum value -5. So we will compare value of first max with second max and we will combine the answer. So here in between 22 and -5, 22 is the maximum value, and for the minimum from 13 to -5, -5 is the minimum value. So now we will combine that two solutions into single solution. So from first three elements, that is 22, 13 and -5, 22 is the maximum value and -5 is the minimum value. So now we will take the first array solution and second array's solution, that is starting from first to third, and second will be starting from fourth to fifth. So here in between 22 and 15, 22 is the maximum value, and from -5 and -8, -8 is the minimum value. So now we will combine this answer. So here from first 5 elements, that is 22, 13, -5, -8 and 15, 22 is the maximum value and -8 is the minimum value. So now we will combine the solutions of 6th and 7th element with 8th and 9th element. So here in between 60 and 47, 60 is the maximum value, and in between 17 and 31, 17 is the minimum value. So we will combine this solution. So starting from 6th to 9th element, that is 60, 17, 31 and 47, 60 is the maximum value and 17 is the minimum value. So now finally from first solution and second solution, we will combine the solution to get the final solution. So from 22 and 60, 60 is the maximum value, and similarly in between -8 and 17, -8 is the minimum value. So we will combine these both solutions to get the final solution. So now we have got the main solution, that is maximum value is 60 and minimum value is -8. So in this way we can solve the given problem, that is finding the maximum and minimum element from the given list by using divide and conquer strategy.